Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can go ahead and make partial or full payment against any invoice by using our payout app. So first of all you need to go in payments module, click on browse module, and then after you need to go in payments module. Now once you will come in payments module, please check these are the all the list of invoices, credit note which are created. So currently we do have a functionality by which you can go ahead and directly make the payment from TranZact itself. How you can do so? So suppose this is one of my invoice which I am selecting, and I need to go ahead and click on make payment. That will come on your right hand side, very top part. So once I selected make payment, so payment amount is 9,986. Suppose if I want to go ahead and make the complete payment, I just need to click on proceed. If I don't want to make the entire payment, and the partial payment need to be done. So for example, I'm just picking a 10 rupees. I need to click outside and then I need to click on proceed. Once I will click on proceed, please check it. Transact will show you your wallet balance and amount to pay. You need to click on generate OTP. After entering the OTP, this particular payment will get done. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and make the payment directly from Transact. Have a good day ahead.